Hey guys, what's up? All right. It's Double Deuce back, and I was kind of messing and tinkering there overnight, doing a lot of thinking and staring, and we're gonna put this in that. So stay tuned, and this is the start of the build, and this is the idea crunch session. We'll use these, and we'll build a scratch frame down the road for it, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Here we go. Well, this is what I got right now. I got one of those Liberty, I think it's a Liberty die-cast big block Chevys. This is the 1/6 scale. You can buy these all over eBay. And what I did, as you can see, I tore it all apart. And I gutted the bottom shaft off in here. Just kind of put a Dubro link on the end there, because the flywheel would turn all the belts and stuff. But I stuck a brushless motor up in there, and I put it all back together. So, and then I had made back plate out of aluminum that will bolt to the back here. Then I can affix a spur gear or something on it to run it. So, but I think I was going to use the Toyin V400 in this, but I don't know, like I say, take a break from that stuff for a while, and then I would have to take it out of my my Capo JK Max, because they're like $1,400, and it's cool to build an epic build like this and spend all the money on it. But being I got the small quarter scale V8 going on, I think that I'll do a brushless build this time, make it clean, and this 1/6 scale fits pretty good into this Camaro. So it's the proportion size for the big block is like perfect for it. And you see I got the Arma Felony Hoons D-boots on the thing, because I had bought extra pairs for my other one, so when I smoke them. But so now I'm going to start building a frame underneath this thing. And I, in order, I started with cutting out the under the hood thing here, the false motor crap plate in there. Cut that right out, and use a Dremel tool. So it's the way it looks. It's looking pretty good right now. Get this thing off here, and I'll show you guys under the hood. Yeah, right. Okay, well, we're just going to do this. We're going to pull this right out of the way, because we're going to take it up anyway. So everything's all mocked up. I want my stuff, so you can see under the hood there. I just hacked that all out of there, and then I'll just clean up the edges and then paint it black again. So, and then underneath, it did have some lights and stuff in the way here, but I had, moved all the wiring off to the side here, and then I'll have to run longer plugs and stuff for everything else. But this is how the project gets started, and like I say, imagination, it's endless, so I'm thinking this is going to look good in there. It's going to look proportional, because I'm going to make an SS RS 396 just like my Camaro, and mine has aluminum heads. And the only thing is, this is a tri-power 427 with factory aluminum heads, so it's got the L89 option on it. But all the detail on the engine itself, as far as like your fuel lines and fuel pump and the hoses, and even it's got the little GM thing in the casting of the manifolds, so it's I think them engines were like, I think I paid 35 bucks for that thing, you know, and it was in a display case, and I took it out and, like I say, unbolted the caps on there, pulled the valve guards off, pulled the heads off, cut the block apart, fit the motor or the brushless motor in it, and everything's good. Now, I've had this around for quite a while, probably 5 years. I think I bought that 5 years ago, and I was going to do a conversion then, but I just, for something was telling me not to do it. So now that I got the Camaro, it says do it. So anyway, like, share, subscribe if you want. That's a quick update on that. You guys have a great rest of the weekend. I hope you have a cool week going on there. And like I said, I'll catch you later, man. Adios.